What if I told you there are ways to make $100 a day online without spending hours glued to your screen? Sounds impossible, right? But believe it or not, it's totally doable. And you don't need a fancy degree or tons of experience. In this video, we are going to show you 10 of the laziest yet effective ways to earn money online as a complete beginner. Stay tuned, because these methods are so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Number 1. Online surveys. Online surveys are one of the easiest ways to make money with very little effort. Companies are eager to learn what customers think about their products, so they pay for your opinion. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars let you sign up for free, and you can start answering questions in just minutes. While each survey only pays a few cents to a few dollars, the time commitment is minimal. Some surveys take only 5 to 10 minutes, making it perfect for spare moments during your day. To maximize your earnings, sign up for multiple survey sites and keep an eye out for higher-paying options. While you won't get rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash. And if you consistently take surveys, you can make up to $100 over time. No special skills required, just share your honest thoughts and get paid. Number 2. Watching videos. Did you know that you can get paid for watching videos? Platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars reward you for watching short clips, movie trailers, or even ads. If you already spend time watching videos online, this is a super lazy way to turn that habit into cash. Just log in, watch a few videos, and see your earnings slowly grow. It's not high effort, but it's real money. Number 3. Cashback apps. We all love shopping, right? Well, cashback apps like Rakuten or Ibotta let you earn money every time you shop online or in-store. You don't have to change your spending habits, just shop through their platforms or use their app when you check out. With a few clicks, you can earn cash back on things you're already buying. Imagine shopping for groceries or clothes and getting paid for it. Number 4. Selling unused items. If you've got items collecting dust around your home, why not turn that clutter into cash? Selling unused things is a quick and easy way to make money without any upfront investment. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark make it simple to list items and reach potential buyers. Whether it's clothes, gadgets, toys, or even furniture, there's almost always someone out there looking to buy what you no longer need. Start by taking clear photos, writing a short description, and setting a fair price. Once you've listed your items, all you have to do is wait for the offers to come in. Not only is this method great for beginners, but it also helps declutter your space. It's a win-win. You get rid of things you don't use and make money in the process. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perfect for beginners because you don't need to create or sell your own product to make money. The idea is simple. You promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. You can promote products on social media, your blog, or even YouTube. Big companies like Amazon, eBay, and Share a Sale offer easy-to-join affiliate programs. All you need to do is recommend products you believe in or that are popular with your audience. The best part? You don't have to handle shipping, customer service, or any of the complicated parts of running a business. It's one of the laziest ways to earn, because once you've set up your links, you can earn money passively as long as people are buying. Just sit back, track your commissions, and watch the earnings roll in. Number 6. Microtasks. Microtasks are small, simple jobs that you can complete in just a few minutes, making them perfect for a lazy way to earn. Platforms like Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, or Microworkers offer a wide variety of tasks, such as data entry, answering surveys, or categorizing images. Each task might pay a few cents to a couple of dollars, but when you string together multiple tasks, you can easily make money quickly. The best part? You can do these tasks whenever you have spare time, whether you're on the bus, watching TV, or just relaxing. These microtasks don't require any special skills, making them a great option for beginners. While it won't make you rich overnight, completing microtasks consistently can add up over time, and before you know it, you'll be hitting that $100 mark without much effort. Number 7. Sell digital products. Selling digital products is one of the most passive ways to make money online. With a bit of upfront effort, you can create something once and keep earning from it indefinitely. Whether it's an ebook, printable templates, digital artwork, or stock photos, digital products can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. The beauty of this method is that once you've created your product and uploaded it, there's no need to worry about inventory or shipping. Every time someone buys your product, the delivery is instant, and the profit is all yours. If you enjoy writing, designing, or creating in any form, this is a fantastic way to generate income over the long term. Plus, it's scalable. The more products you create, the more potential you have to earn. Number 8. Freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, even just a little bit, freelance writing is a great way to make money online. You don't need to be a professional writer. Many clients are looking for beginners to help them write blog posts, product descriptions, and short articles. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Textbroker connect freelancers with clients in need of writing services. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and choose jobs that fit your style and schedule. The best part is that the more jobs you complete, the more you can increase your rates and grow your client base. Writing just a few articles or posts a week can quickly add up to $100 or more. Plus, with so many businesses needing content, there's always a demand for writers. So, grab your laptop, start typing, and watch the payments come rolling in. Number 9. Print on demand. Print on demand is an incredibly lazy way to make money from your creativity. All you need to do is come up with simple designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful, and they handle the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn a commission every time someone buys a product featuring your design, whether it's a t-shirt, mug, or phone case. What's great about this is that you don't need to be a professional artist to succeed. Simple text designs or funny quotes can sell just as well as complex artwork. It's a low-risk business model because there's no upfront cost. Products are only made when someone orders them. With the potential to reach a global audience, your designs could keep making you money while you relax. Just upload and watch the profits roll in. Number 10. Testing websites. Another super simple way to earn money is by testing websites. Companies want to know how easy their sites are to use, so they pay people like you to test them. Sites like User Testing and Try My UI will pay you for giving feedback while you browse their websites. It's a fun and lazy way to make cash while you're online. And there you have it. 10 of the laziest ways to make $100 a day online. Whether you're filling out surveys, watching videos, or selling old stuff, these methods can help you build an income with minimal effort. Try one or try them all. The choice is yours. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to make money the easy way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.